Hey there, plant lovers. Are your green friends looking a little worse for wear? Don't worry. Today, we're going to explore 5 proven techniques to revive those dying plants and bring them back to life. Let's get started. Welcome to another beautiful and exciting video on Agricline. And of course, if you are yet to subscribe, please do so now so you never miss out on our exciting videos. Now let's begin. Number 1. Assess the situation. Assessing plant distress. A key step in reviving your green friends. Before taking action to revive a struggling plant, it's essential to assess its condition thoroughly. Start by checking for signs of distress. 1. Leaf color. Yellowing leaves can indicate overwatering, nutrient deficiencies, or insufficient light. Dark spots might suggest fungal infections or pests. 2. Soil condition. Examine the soil moisture. If it feels too dry, your plant may be underwatered. Conversely, overly soggy soil can lead to root rot, indicating overwatering. 3. Pests and mold. Inspect the plant for any visible pests, such as aphids or spider mites, which can harm your plant. Additionally, look for mold on the soil surface or leaves, as this can indicate poor air circulation or overwatering. Understanding these factors is crucial, as it allows you to identify the specific issues affecting your plant. Once you know what's wrong, you can take targeted action to help it recover and thrive again. Remember, a little observation goes a long way in plant care. 2. Watering wisely. Next up is the art of watering wisely. If your plant is feeling thirsty and shows signs of underwatering, give it a good soak. Allow the water to penetrate deeply and let the excess drain out. This ensures that the roots get the hydration they need. On the flip side, if your plant is overwatered, it's time for a little patience. Allow the soil to dry out completely before you water again. Remember, too much love can drown your green friends. Consistency is key. Establish a watering routine based on your plant's needs and watch it flourish. Happy planting! 3. Prune dead leaves. Technique number 3 is all about pruning. By trimming away dead or damaged leaves, you're giving your plant a fresh start. This simple act allows it to redirect energy toward new growth instead of wasting resources on struggling parts. Remember, clean and sharp scissors are your best friends in this process. This ensures a clean cut and reduces the risk of infection. So, grab those scissors, snip away the old, and watch your plant thrive like never before. Happy pruning! 4. Provide proper light. Next up, let's shine a spotlight on light. Every plant has its own unique light needs. Some love basking in bright, indirect sunlight, while others prefer the cozy comfort of low light. To keep your green friend thriving, observe its behavior. If it's stretching towards the light or its leaves are turning yellow, it might be time for a relocation. Move your plant to a spot that matches its light preference and watch it flourish. Remember, the right light is the key to unlocking your plant's full potential. 5. Fertilize sparingly. And finally, fertilize. When caring for your plants, fertilizing can provide essential nutrients for growth. However, it's important to do so sparingly. Using a diluted, balanced fertilizer can give your plants a much-needed boost without overwhelming them. Always start with a lower concentration and observe how your plant responds. Remember, too much fertilizer can lead to nutrient burn and other issues, so moderation is key to keeping your plants healthy and thriving. And there you have it, 5 proven techniques to revive your dying plants. With a little care and attention, you can bring them back to life and enjoy their beauty once again. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening advice. And there you have it, 5 proven techniques to revive your dying plants. With a little care and attention, you can bring them back to life and enjoy their beauty once again. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening advice. Until next time, happy gardening!